Good afternoon. This is Tiwari taking a today topic of subject Technological Innovation Management and Entrepreneurship, Module 1 Part B, Roles of a Manager and Levels and Skills of Management. These two topics I am going to cover for this particular video. Roles of manager, there are three types of the roles, mainly interpersonal roles, information roles and decision roles. They are in this main head of the roles. We are having further interpersonal roles like figurehead. A manager has to perform some duties of a ceremonial nature, such as greeting the touring dignitaries, attending the wedding of an employee, subordinates, welcoming to the guest and taking for lunch and dinner. He should play a very good role as a leader. He should have a leadership quality. Like a manager should have leadership quality to direct and motivate, encourage to his employee, subordinate. Reconcile their individual needs with the goal of organization. Liaison officer or liaison. He has to play a very good role as a liaison person to cultivate contact outside of his vertical chains of command to collect the information useful for his organization. Information roles. He has to play role as monitor. In this role, manager has to scan his environmental for information, interrogate his license contact, his subordinates, and receive unsolicited information such of it as a result of the network of personal contact he has developed. Disseminator. In this role of disseminator, the manager passes some of his privileged information directly to his key subordinate who would otherwise have no access to it. Like, for example, a company has decided to suspend of manager subordinate. Manager call the subordinate to his some liking hotel for the lunch. There, after giving a lunch, he hand over one cover. There it is been letter that his service is no more required. Nobody else was knowing other than him. That is known as disseminator. Spokesman. We know all political party, everybody is having spokesman. Manager should also spend some of part of his time in representing his organization before outside group also, which has some of stake in the organization. And this spokesman play a very good role for the image of the company. He is ensuring that advises shareholders about financial performance. He also ensures customer group that organization fulfilling its social responsibilities and satisfying government that the organization is abiding by the laws. Decision role. It is an important role of a manager. Every project, every time, every position, he has to take some of the risks. That is known as decision he has to play. Some calculated risks or more, that depends on his capability. As a decision role, first one is entrepreneur. He has to play proactive lookout for innovation to improve his organization, diversity of the business, grow bigger but to grow better, may not be necessary that you should be a big company, but it should grow with the quality. This makes innovation as an important function for a manager. Innovation means creating new ideas to have development of new user for the old one. Disturbance handlers take in roles of decision. He has to play this role as a firefighter. Manager should speak or should seek solution for various unanticipated problems like strike. Major customers may go bankrupt and supplier may renege on his contract as on. Resource allocator. He should divide the work and delegate authority among his subordinates. He should decide who will get what. Negotiator. Manager at all levels has to spend consideration time in negotiations. The president of the company may negotiate with the union leader for a new strike issue. The foreman may negotiate with the workers' grievances or problem, and so on. Level of management. As you see in the diagram, there are 3 levels: top level 1, middle level 2, and bottom level or lower level 3. In level 1, top management, generally these are board of directors, chairman, president, vice president, the men who coordinate all specialties and make policies for a company as a whole. That is level 1 people. Level 2, middle level management, general manager, production manager, plant manager, person manager, project manager, marketing manager, sales manager of an organization, and department head of the institute, university, a person who interact with the top level and get executed the policy by the low level person. That is a more important for the middle level manager. Level 3, low level management, first line management, supervisor level it is also known. Foreman, supervisor in this lower level management group who guide or lead the people, men, women into action to achieve short-term goal or proposed production is known as low level management people. Management skill continuation. There are, you see the diagram which you have seen before, technical skills, human skills. There are 2 skills in this particular slide I am going to explain. A skill is a manager understand the nature of job that people under him have to perform. If every manager should have a skill knowing his subordinate, knowing his employees working under him. It refers to a person's knowledge and proficiency in any type of process or technique. The skill is more in lower level management and may not necessarily very vast knowledge in top level management. Middle level managers are having more functional areas which is more important, say for marketing, sales. Technical component become less important. Human relations skill. This is an ability to execute, to interact effective with people at all level. This skill develop in a manager's efficient ability to recognize the feeling and sentiments of the others, to judge the possible reactions to an outcome of the various courses of action he undertakes, to examine his own concept and value which may enable him to develop more useful attitude about himself. Conceptual skill also very important. It refers to creative and innovative ability. His ability to accept the environment and changes taking place. In other words, ability to conceptualize the environment, organization and his own job so that he can set appropriate goal for his organization, for himself and for his team. His skills seem to be increasing in importance as a manager. His skills seem to be increasing in importance as a manager, moves up a higher position of the responsibility in the organization. That's all. This is end of my video. Thank you very much.